Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the Euro US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the Euro dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we had that break of structure today on the Euro dollar, which is kind of what we expected. I do think that we are very likely in a wave B right now, so this right here would be a wave A. Nice one, two, three, four, five waves down for the wave A. Most likely, we are actually in a wave A of wave B right now. I would be paying very close attention to these Fibonacci retracement levels. I would expect to see probably something like this, some sort of a three-way pattern to the upside, maybe make its way up to the 61 or the 50% Fibonacci level for an ABC of B, potentially before we make that bigger push down for the bigger wave C. So definitely looking for logs now that we got that breaker structure. So anyways, looking at the news calendar for tomorrow, tomorrow's actually a pretty good day. We got some Aussie news this evening. We got the governor speaking. We also have construction PMI for the pound, probably not a big deal. We also have this non-farm employment change. This is not the good one. This is just the estimate. The good non-farm payroll comes out on Friday, which is definitely a good market mover. But on tomorrow, we do have unemployment claims and we do have service PMI, which are both really good news events to keep an eye out for. So it seems like we're going to have some volatility in the markets tomorrow by the looks of it, which is great news for us because that's how we make our money. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.